So now if we talk about the next topic we are having, that is the cilia. Okay, we are having the cilia and flagella. What is this? Cilia and flagella is basically the hair projection, okay, on the surface of cell. Okay, the internal structure of the both cilia and flagella is similar, but they may be different in the size, number, or the pattern of movement. These are basically the hair-like projection, but they are locomotory, which means they are moving. They are in moving nature. Okay, and if we talk about the, for example, this is the cilia and this is the hair-like projection. This is the flagella. Okay, if we talk about the flagella are longer. Flagella are longer. Here you can see that these are longer and few in number. Okay, where if we talk about the cilia, so cilia are numerous in number, like many cilia is there. Okay, so cilia are numerous and short. They are short if we talk about, and the flagella is basically longer. Okay, if we talk about the cilia and flagella, so cilia and flagella is basically the share are basically a common, you can say that, biological cell. They basically share. Okay, so each basically consists of a exoneme. What is exoneme? Exoneme is basically the enclosed spiral sheath of the cytoplasm, okay, and a plasma membrane. Exoneme is basically made up of the 11 microtubules. I'm telling you what is exoneme. 11 microtubules. Okay, 9 are in the duplets. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are in the duplets. Okay, and they are arranged in the ring. And in center we are having the 2 single microtubule. 2 single microtubule. So that we are calling as the exoneme. This is ring like structure where the 9, you can say that we are having the 11 longitudinal microtubules, but 9 we are having the duplets. Okay, duplex microtubule arranged in the ring, and in the center we are having this, we are having the 2 single microtubule. They are arranged in the, and we are calling as a 9-2 pattern, which is equal to the 11 microtubule. Okay, and if we talk about the cilia and flagella, so they are basically originate from the basal body. What is basal body? Basal body is basically at the beneath of the cytoplasm, where these basically, you can say that, basal bodies from where the cilia and flagella arise, and they are basically embedded in the cytoplasm. Okay, if we talk about the basal bodies, so basal bodies is having the same circular arrangement like this. Okay, same circular arrangement of the microtubule that we have discussed in the previous video about the centriole. So they are in the same nature. If we talk about the mechanism of the movement of the, you can see the flagella and cilia. So if we talk about the movement of cilia, so the movement of the cilia is basically in the 2 groups. Okay, so if we talk about the cilia, so cilia is having the 9 flagella. Okay, and if we talk about, we are having the 2 groups. 5 basically from the 9 duplets. So 5 basically got contract. These 5 will basically got contract and they will be relaxed, and the body will be moved forward. Okay, so at the result of the cilium is basically getting bent. They are getting shortened. So that 5, you can say that the out of 9 they are contracting. Okay, their fibrils are contracting, so that we are calling as the effective stroke. Okay, and if there are 9, 5 are basically there. And if we talk about the 4, these 4, so these 4, if the 4 out of 9 is basically getting contract, and the cilium will get straight. Before simultaneously the cilium was getting the contract, and the cilium was getting contract, and these 4 were getting relaxed. And if we talk about the 5 one, if they will fourth, these 4 will contract, so they will be getting straight. Okay, and there the movement will occur, so that we are calling as a recovery stroke. Okay, so from 9 the 5 is getting contract, they will get relaxed, so the body will move forward, and these 4 will contract, they will get relaxed, and the movement will get start. Okay, so this was the movement of the cilia. If we talk about the movement of the flagella, so the movement of the flagella is basically the movement of the, you can see in the human sperm. For example, this is a human sperm. Okay, so this human sperm is in the movement. Okay, this is what, this is the flagellum movement. Okay, here you have seen in the diagram too. Okay, this is the flagellum movement, which is like moving forward. Okay, for example, in the reproductive tract, the sperms is moving within the fluid medium, so they are moving, so their movement we are calling as the flagella movement. Okay, and this was the cilia movement. So that's the difference between the cilia and the flagella, and they are having the movement, they are in the locomotory motion. Okay, so this was about the cilia and the flagellum. So cilia is like this. Okay, and flagella, if we talk about, like, you can take the example of the sperm, so these are like this. Okay, and these are the cilia, which basically move, and they are having the hair like projection. So the hair like projection, we are calling that both as a cilia and the flagella.